How to create Taobao account. Let's get started. First, download this app from App Store or Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different option. Head over to the option account. Now from this page, you can easily create your account. You can use Google, Apple, or Facebook to sign up for a Taobao account. Or also you can use your phone number. For this guide, I'm going to use my Google account. Just click on it. Click on continue. Click on continue again. Now go ahead and provide your Google account's credentials, email or phone, and the password. And just with that, your account will be created. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Here you're gonna find account and security options. You can customize these. So this is how you can easily create your Taobao account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.